So as you can see, we are in a different setup, pero ngayon lang to. It's because may inaayos din yung husband ko dun sa usual filming setup ko. So iba yung lighting natin. I still have a little bit of the natural lighting, pero makulimlim day. Today is a very gloomy, Magellanic Morissette kind of day. So I also have a little help from my tiny ring light. So naisip ko, I'll take you with me as I get ready. And I am going back to basic, you guys. Full face glam, full shebang, but you know, very quick, very easy to do. At kapag rainy days, it's the perfect time to wear a bold lip. So that's our game plan for today. And I promise you guys that most of the products I'm going to use are Karamihan local brand, super accessible and affordable. So I'm done with my skincare, so I'm going straight to the primer, and I'm using yung Maybelline Baby Skin. Isa sa mga beginner-friendly primer. And hindi ko siya lalagay sa buong mukha ko. I'm just going to focus sa T-zone. For my eyebrows, I have black hair right now, so I'm just going to use yung pinaka-dark eyebrow product that I have, and this one is from Maybelline. As you can see, I'm wearing contact lenses na, which is very unusual for me kasi guys, every time I do my makeup, most of the time, I only put contact lens kapag magpa-picture taking na. Kasi ever since nagpa-LASIK surgery ako, yung contact lens hindi na talaga nagtatagal sa eyes ko. Like, the maximum na kaya siguro mag-last on my eyes is 30 minutes or 20 minutes. And then, alam mo yun, it's going to be super dry, super itchy, mamumula na yung mata ko. So, usually, I just put on my contact lenses pag magtitake na ako ng photos kapag mag-aano ko sa mga makeup tutorial. Pero ngayon, I am testing again. Baka lang naman, baka sakaling may nagbago, no? So, back in the day, what I usually do is inuuna ko muna yung eyes bago yung base and then the lip color. So, I wanna do that technique again. Unahin ko muna yung eyes, saka yung full base. Kasi ginagawa yon to prevent na yung mga fallouts ng eyeshadow mapunta sa base mo. I mean, over here. But anyway, I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And then I'm just going to use my fingers. I think I put a lot, but that's okay. We have Beauty Blender. I know, guys, I look like a ghost, but don't worry. We are going to be very cute later. Since bold lip tayo, I'm not gonna go super all out sa eyeshadow. So I'm going to use itong sa BLK Cosmetics Love Story Bridal Collection eyeshadow palette that I haven't used in a while. So guys, back in the day, puro ako back in the day sa video na to. Pero, real talk lang. Eto na yan. Yan na yung parang basic technique in doing your eyeshadow look. Kailangan mo ng transition shade. And then, you put like a deep shade sa outer V to give you that oomph or depth. And then, maglalagay ka ng shiny shimmering sa gitna. Going to take yung fluffy brush, and then I'm just going to blend pa more tong outer edge. So before I finish my eye look, back in the day again, hashtag back in the day, what I usually do is I'm going to clean this up. Yan. Yung lower part. And then I'm going to form yung parang edge here for the eyeliner. And then, I'm going to leave my eyes like that muna. Gagawin ko muna yung base ko. So, for foundation, FS Cosmetics. I'm super crazy about this foundation nowadays. So, asahan you guys. This is going to be part of my June favorites. And then, after foundation, I'm going to put concealer. Slowly but surely, kasi napaka-potent nitong L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is one of the most powerful concealers na alam ko that's out in the market. Very pigmented, super full coverage. So every time I use this, slowly but surely yung drama ko die. Honestly guys, nagda-dry na yung mata ko. Pero alam yon, kaya natin to! Then I'm going to set my face and I am using itong Maybelline Superstay 24-hour powder. To do my eyeliner na. Ayoko naman masyadong dramatic eyeliner. Yeah. Just a baby wing line would do. I found this new technique of applying eyeliner, and usually kasi diba ang inuuna ko is yung dito, pag ganon, and then saka ko igaganon sa taas. But now, itatry ko muna yung sa baba, ay yung sa taas, bago yung dito sa gilid. Actually, hindi ko nga siya isasara. Parang eto na yun. So it's going to give you like a lifted feel-ish. So I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm not really a fan of curling your lashes, you guys, pero for today, I'm going to try again. I'm not a fan kasi ang ikli lang talaga ng lashes ko, day. O, diba? Parang wala lang. Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. Dati-dati, I always say now, what I put on top, I'm going to put at the bottom lashes. But right now, I feel like I want to keep it like that. Mala Sara Labati style. Kasi pansinin mo yung makeup ni Sara Labati. I'm going to contour, by the way. I'm going to use itong FS Cosmetics Contour Kit. Ano sasabi ko? Yeah, yung makeup ni Sara Labati, parang super, most of the time, clean lang yung sa baba. Walang makeup. Parang highlight lang, actually. Nakakabata yun, day. Yung wala dito sa baba. So I'm still doing this technique of connecting my eyebrows to my nose. For my blush, I'm going to use itong sa Maybelline, one of my favorites. I think all-time favorites. But since we're going for a bold look, very, very light lang. This is in the shade Rose, by the way. Ito ko siya ilalagay sa gilid because gusto kong itaas yung cheekbones ko. Now for highlight, Vice Cosmetics Aura Glow in the shade Splendid. This is a very, very good highlighter, you guys. Very affordable and alam mo yun, kayang sumabay sa mga mas mamahaling highlighter. Like, look at that. God. Nakaka-offend yung highlight. Also going to put sa inner corners. And then, idadami ko na rin very konti yung you do this, and then you highlight your eye bagsicles. If you can't beat them, highlight them. For the lips, you guys, ang dami-dami magagandang options. But, I want to revisit a brand or a product na I haven't used on cam in a very long time. And that is Colourette Cosmetics. And yung Colourette Cosmetics, yung matte collection nila, it's really, I really love that. I really love yung mga matte collection nila. Kasi, it has a thicker formula than the Fresh collection or yung Fresh line. So, it kinda hides the lines, yung outline ng lips mo. So, it gives you like a fuller lips if you want to. So, itong lips ko. By the way, this is the shade I'm gonna use. It's not red. It's burgundy magenta-ish. It's in the shade Esme. Do you see the difference, guys? You don't need a lip injection. You just need makeup. And then of course, setting spray. So that's it for today's video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And kung meron kayong mga makeup requests, like type or style of makeup, alam mo yun, or makeup for any occasion, comment down below and I'll try to do it for you guys. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!